Gorgeous Ghent Victorian just down the street from Colley Avenue eateries, shops and the Naro Theatre. This 4-bedroom 2.5-bath home truly blends the historic features with the new. 10-foot ceilings, latticed windows, marble fireplace in living room and another fireplace in one of the bedrooms. Updated kitchen with granite counters, island with wine fridge, custom cabinetry and pantry. All appliances convey. Gleaming heart pine floors. Off-street parking and fenced yard with deck and patio. No flood insurance required. Near the base, EVMS, Sentara, CHKD, downtown, museums, shopping, the interstate, and Aju. First American home warranty.